I've got a subdivided cube here as an example, and I want to cut out a section of it. I don't want to use a boolean. I don't want to use a knife. Point being, I've already got faces that kind of define the specific area that I want to both delete from and to fill in. So that's what I'm taking a look at here. So here's my subdivided cube. I'll first going to select the area that I want to cut out by, say, going into wire Z and a wireframe to select all the points behind. So that's selected, but now I want to go into faces. So I'll do a right click and I'll say delete faces. So that's given me this cutout area here. I'll go back into solid, go back to vertex select. Sure, there's more than one way to do this stuff, and I will do a right click and I want a new edge face from vertices. Go into edge select, make sure it has selected it. Yep. A control and LMB to pick out all of this. Then I'll do an F, and then that's given me one face, and now I'll there and then do a control and click to get the shortest path, and and it's given me a face. Now if I start that, and if I take that one there and draw it, will it snap to something? No, it's not going to snap to something. I'm going to have to coerce it to snap to something vertical, aren't I? So if I go back to include active, let's see what happens anyway. So if I'm in edge select, so go down there, then go down to there, hit return. Say I do that again, click, 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 return. That actually looks kind of what I want.